In this video, we will learn a cool way to animate a logo for beautiful opening or closing slide using PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture and insert picture from this device. And then change it to full screen now. Click on right button, go to Format Picture, go to Picture Correction and make sharpness as -100%. Go to Insert, click on Icon, search Bond here, select and insert it. Increase the icon size and change the color from Graphics field. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Select Picture, go to Picture Correction and make sharpness size as 0%. Select icon and increase size so it will become outside the slide. Add text box for slide title. Copy the text box, go to first slide and paste here. Make font size as 1 and shift to text box a bit up. Select second slide, go to transition, select Morph and increase duration size also. Go to full screen and look at this great opening slide. It's amazing and very easy to create. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.